So Gen Creator, it's a Gen AI based video creator. It's a very powerful video generation tool which can allow users to create videos based on any given topic. It could be tourism, it could be healthcare, it could be education, it could be finance, just with a single prompt. We've all been hearing about prompt engineering and how prompts will kind of be the kingmakers in the age of generative AI. What we've done is, based on a prompt, we have leveraged a number of Google services, also leveraged some open source tools to build out this POC, and we had this idea. The idea again is to kind of leverage everything and convert a prompt into a fully functional video, a video which basically sends out a message. So the core idea, as I said, is to leverage these capabilities of Google Cloud Components. There are a number of solutions which are available, which kind of take stock images and are able to generate videos for certain duration of minutes, and then they are capped on those limits. The idea that we have in mind is something which is much more beyond, which is much more powerful. It could be hour-long videos, it could be reels or shorts. It could be based on whatever you want. It could be based on the topic that you want, the duration that you want, the mood that you want. All of it is kind of flexible. So that's the opportunity. The use case here is, for example, you are a teacher, you are teaching about historical monuments, or let's say 7 wonders of the world. So one idea is that you go the old route, you teach from a textbook. The other is you kind of use the internet, you show the images, you talk through that. The best or one of the more innovative ways and the more futuristic way is you use this tool, you feed a prompt like, I want to teach about 7 wonders of the world. It pulls in certain images from the internet, curates all that content, identifies the corresponding speech that should go along with it, and then generates a video for you. And you can tell it, I want it to be a very short walkthrough, 5 minutes, it can do that, but I want to be, let's say, a half an hour, and let's just do a deep dive into each of the monuments. It can do that as well. So the core idea is, especially for areas like education, this could be a game changer. You can create in-depth, very long sessions. It could create tutorials as well. And the idea is that your students can kind of benefit from it. So as they say, like a picture is worth 1,000 words, we believe a video is worth 1,000,000 words. And that's the core idea of Gen Creator. So no limit to video creation, unlike any of the other new tools. Very friendly user interface in terms of how you can configure it, what sort of a video you want to create. 100% native to Google Cloud, all the services, and I'll show a small diagram as well, which shows what some of the services that we are using from Google Cloud. Audio narration using humanized voices. For now, like when we are building this POC, we are obviously using a robotic voice, but it's very easy to kind of plug and play. If you want it to be like a teacher's voice, if you want to be like a doctor's voice, if you're using it for prescriptions, those all personas can also be configured, and there is tremendous scope to kind of personalize it as well. Unlimited topics across verticals, across various categories as well, and then closed captioning as well. Like, not everybody is kind of can understand the audio. So closed captioning to kind of support accessibility as well as kind of provide a second layer of interaction as well. As I said, the USP is 100% native, leveraging Google Vertex AI, Gemini models, hosted on App Engine, leveraging cloud storage to store the videos, and also leveraging the Google services for converting text to speech. This is a rough flow of the process in terms of how we've actually built the POC. And this has literally been built in a matter of days ever since we registered for this hackathon. So we are really excited about what we've built, the idea and its potential. So as I said, App Engine is where it's hosted. You basically write it out any topic, uses Vertex AI. Image generator is used to generate an image, returns the image to App Engine. We use a number of stock video APIs, which can basically retrieve a video, stores the stock video, can convert the sentences, can eventually store the video in cloud storage. There is obviously a lot of intelligence which is in there, and which is a lot of background processing to actually generate the video file. So what exactly is each of the components being used for? Google App Engine, as I said, is the heart and soul. It leverages Vertex AI Gemini model, also uses the text to speech model, handles all the processing, stitches together everything, provides a really good video experience. Text to speech, featuring a variety of voices, humanize it, personalize it. There is no end to that. Cloud storage, eventually where you store the end video. Vertex AI, generate the script, leverage the Gemini model, all the advancements in the Gemini model with Gemini Pro coming in. Visual Engine, we currently used open source Stable Diffusion and some stock video APIs, but the architecture is flexible enough, so you could use any other engine as well. And as I said, like, use Google Cloud services to the fullest in terms of infrastructure, in terms of the AI component. All right, so now let's take a look at the working demonstration of Gen Creator. Just keep in mind that this is a POC, a prototype that we've currently built in Google Colab. As mentioned earlier, we plan to host this solution on Google Cloud so that it has seamless access, it is scalable. But for the purpose of this demonstration, we are using Google Colab. So let's input a sample text prompt. Let's see how Gen Creator works its magic. You'll see that the entire video creation process is automated, fetches the images, saves a lot of time and effort, and with a single prompt, you can convert it into like a captivating video experience. So that's a simple demo of what Gen Creator does. Thank you.
Galactic civilization. Humanity began to harness the power of stars themselves. Dyson spheres captured the energy of our sun and neighboring stars, solving any energy scarcity issues. Our expansion continued as we settled other star systems within our galaxy. Wormhole technology allowed for near instantaneous travel between distant regions. We established diplomatic relations with extraterrestrial civilizations, sharing knowledge and culture. Level 5, Interstellar Nexus. Civilization. The pinnacle of human achievement was reached with the creation of the interstellar nexus. Advanced quantum computing allowed us to manipulate spacetime itself. The nexus was a massive artificial structure, a network of wormholes connecting distant galaxies. It served as a hub for intergalactic trade, knowledge exchange, and a forum for diplomacy among countless species.